outside.
No, you're not.
Yeah, well, we're going to be there in a second.
Is that you?
Yeah.
Alright. You dickhead. Bonjour. How are we doing?
Come on in.
Morning feeds.
I go to loud places to search for someone.
Mate, I'm dead. She's taking her time. Hurry up,
Tell
me.
us to sort it out. Finally.
Hello, Stu.
Hello, hi.
Okay.
Mornings, Andrew.
Did you
Happy
guys find
birthday.
good? Oh my days. Is that a bell? Oh my days. That's well cool.
What is it?
It's a camera strap with my name on
Yeah,
it.
that's pretty sick.
That's well sick. Oh, thank you, Amy.
I take you to
This is exactly the sort of thing that you don't find. You know,
This is only the small one.
don't like this at all.
And you're on top of that mountain before, it was fine.
Which mountain?
In Spain.
Yeah, but that's because it's rock, so I know it's not going to, fall. Whereas this is,
Mate,
this
it's
is
not
chalk.
full, it's fine.
Mate, trust me, I was in the news just the other week. Imagine it was like a woman filming there, and then imagine that whole end bit just fell off, and she was just stood here like, oh nice, that could happen to the bit I'm stood on. We here?
Yeah, I think this is it, mate.
Hold on.
You're going to the edge. I'm already fucking
You're
it.
not allowed to go.
I'm not allowed. No, because I'll fuck it.
You're too wobbly.
Decent, mate.
Very nice.
without me. When you come down